Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial on computer hardware. Have you ever wondered what makes your computer tick? Or how all those parts inside work together to power your favorite applications? Well, today we're diving deep into the fascinating of computer hardware. Understanding computer hardware is essential, whether you're a tech enthusiast or a beginner. Let's get started with overview of computer components. Each part of a computer system plays a vital role in its overall functionality. From processing data to storing information, every component contributes to the efficient operation of the system. Let's take a closer look at some of the fundamental components. First up, we have the motherboard. The motherboard is like the central nervous system of your computer. It connects all other components and allows them to communicate. Think of it as the canvas where all the hardware masterpieces come together. Modern motherboards come with a variety of features. You'll find integrated graphics, sound cards, and even network interfaces. These features provide a foundation for building versatile computer systems. Here's a quick tip. When choosing a motherboard, ensure it has the right compatibility for your CPU and RAM. Next on the list is the CPU or Central Processing Unit. Often referred to as the brain of the computer, the CPU executes instructions and performs calculations. CPUs come in various architectures and speeds, determined by their clock rate and number of cores. Multi-core processors are great for multitasking as they allow multiple processes to run simultaneously. For instance, think of editing a video while browsing the web and running an antivirus scan. All these tasks are efficiently handled by a multi-core processor. Moving on to RAM or random access memory. RAM stores data that the CPU is actively using or processing. The more RAM your system has, the more data it can handle at once. This is crucial for running complex applications and multitasking. Remember, RAM is volatile. This means it loses its data when the computer is turned off. So, make sure your work is saved regularly to avoid losing any progress. Now let's talk about storage devices. These are used to save data permanently. There are two main types: hard disk drives, HDDs, and solid-state drives, SSDs. HDDs are mechanical devices that read and write data using spinning disks. They're like the vinyl records of the computer world. On the other hand, SSDs use flash memory. This provides faster data access speeds and better durability. Because of their performance, SSDs have become the preferred choice for many users. Let's not forget about input and output devices. Input devices like keyboards, mice, and scanners allow you to enter data into the computer. They translate physical actions into digital signals. Output devices such as monitors, printers, and speakers display or output data from the computer. They convert the computer's digital signals into a human-readable or perceivable form. Then we have peripheral connections. These are various ports and interfaces on a computer used to connect external devices. Examples include USB ports, HDMI, Ethernet, and audio jacks. These connections allow for the expansion of a computer's capabilities by adding additional hardware. Next, hardware configuration. Configuring computer hardware involves setting up and optimizing the components for the best performance. This includes installing the CPU, RAM, and storage devices on the motherboard. Don't forget to configure the BIOS settings. Proper hardware configuration ensures all components work together harmoniously and efficiently. Next, troubleshooting. Troubleshooting hardware issues is a critical skill in maintaining a computer system. Common problems can include hardware failures, connectivity issues, and performance bottlenecks. A systematic approach to troubleshooting involves checking connections, testing components, and replacing faulty parts. Having a solid understanding of the hardware and its interactions helps in diagnosing problems accurately and quickly. A comprehensive understanding of computer hardware is crucial for anyone in the technology industry. Each component must be understood for effective troubleshooting and optimization. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and comment. See you in the next tutorial.